The P0044 code indicates a HO2S heater control circuit high bank 1 sensor 3 issue. This means the voltage in the heater circuit of your downstream sense sensor, bank 1 sensor 3, is abnormally high. This sensor monitors exhaust oxygen levels, and the heater ensures it operates efficiently. A high voltage suggests a short to voltage or component failure, impacting engine efficiency and emissions. The P0044 code has several likely causes. The most common is a faulty heated oxygen sensor itself, accounting for 60% of cases. Wiring issues such as shorts, open circuits, or corrosion make up 25% of cases. Less frequently, PCM failure accounts for 10% of occurrences. Fuse problems or exhaust leaks account for the remaining 5%. The first step in diagnosing the P0044 code is to use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and review freeze frame data. Next, visually inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage, corrosion, or shorts. Finally, use a multimeter to test the wiring for shorts. With the ignition off, voltage should be 0 volts. When dealing with a P0044 code, you have two main options for repair: doing it yourself or taking it to a professional. DIY fixes are possible for simpler tasks like wiring repairs and sensor replacement. However, professional diagnosis is recommended when dealing with more complex issues like PCM problems or accurately identifying electrical shorts. For novices, DIY fixes work about 70% of the time, but professional help ensures the job is done right and prevents further issues. The main repair options for a P0044 code are replacing the faulty heated oxygen sensor or repairing any damaged wiring in the circuit. If wiring is damaged, repair it by checking for shorts or corrosion. This often involves replacing corroded connectors or harness sections. After any repair, clear the diagnostic code using an OBD2 scanner and perform a test drive to verify the issue is resolved. As electric vehicles become more common, the P0044 code will appear less frequently since EVs don't use oxygen sensors. However, it will still be relevant for the millions of older internal combustion engine vehicles on the road. AI-powered diagnostic tools are emerging that can predict sensor failures before they cause trouble codes like P0044. These intelligent systems analyze vehicle data to prevent issues and reduce repair costs. By 2030, these technologies could reduce oxygen sensor-related codes by up to 50%, focusing maintenance on predictive rather than reactive approaches.